Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The topic for today is going to be basic structure of the table. What is a table? What are columns? What are rows? What is primary key and what is foreign key? So let's cover all this in today's video. Let's be precise and to the point so all of you can understand within 5 to 7 minutes that what are these concepts are. So let's move forward without wasting your time. So guys, these are the topic which I have already written down there. So number one, what is table? Okay. So the answer to that is table is a collection of related data stored in a database. Okay. So let me write that. It is a structured. So that is a main word. Structured collection of relative data in a database. So I'm just writing short form DB that belongs to database. Okay. So each table consists of rows and column, which are the next topic. Okay. So table is a structure. This type of structure will be there in database where you have everything properly defined. Okay. So let's say you have a customer table. So in customer table, the first column can be customer name, customer age and customer salary. So this is known as a column. Column is on y-axis. This is your column and rows are on x-axis. So simple. Okay. That is a table. Now, what is a row? Okay. Row represent a single entry. So it shows a single entry, or you can also say instead of entry you can use a word called record. It can talk about a single entry. Let's say this is a customer table. In customer table I have information for so many customers. So let's say one customer name is Rajat. So as I said, this is name, then age, then salary. So let's say Rajat and then name is done. Then age comes, that is let's say 29, and then salary is let's say 3 lakh. So this is on x-axis. This is known as a row. Now column is on y-axis, as I said. Okay. So column is defined as a specific piece of information. Let's say from a customer table, you want all the names. You want to understand only give me the names of the customer. Okay. So let's say this is the name column where so many names are written. Let's say Amit, Sumit and Rajat was there and Ashu. So let's say this is a single column. You all can see this is a single column. So if I go on x-axis, Amit is a observation which we call row. Then Sumit is a row, Rajat is a row, Ashu is a row. So this is all about table, rows and column. Okay. Now let's move on to primary key and foreign key. Now primary key is bit simple. Let's say I have a table, as I said. So there is a customer table. So the first, there are two columns. So one is the column name ID. Then the second column is name. Okay. Now I have table B. This is my table A. This is my table B. In table B, again, I have two columns. One is ID. Second is age. Now, in a database, both the tables are stored at a different location. But you as a programmer want to understand that if you want to combine this whole information together and you want to show to your client that this is an ID, this is a name, this is an age together. So in that case, you will do a join. What is a join? I will cover it later. For now, just understand what is a primary key. So that column which can help you to join these two tables. What is that? That is ID. So ID column will be referred as your primary key. It's very simple, guys. Okay. It ensures that two rows have the same value. That is all you need to ensure. Let's say here, if I have ID 1, here I have ID 2, this will not work. So in real life scenario, there are so many observations. Obviously, it's just one observation table as an example I'm giving. So if you have like 10 million observation, obviously the value which will match like ID to ID will be matched. If here we have 1, here also it will look for 1, and where they will find, both the tables will find that there is a 1 common. So that process is called as join. You will apply a join on the basis of that. Okay, so like student IDs and student names and employee ID, order ID, all these IDs in layman language, in real life scenario, if you see, all these columns which are related to IDs are generally considered as primary key because they are unique, or a customer identification number, they are unique. Also, when you log in into your net banking, that is a very generic use case, that is considered as a primary key. If you are a student, your student ID is unique, right? Your student roll number. So that is also considered as a primary key. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now let's move on to foreign key concept. Now this is bit tricky, guys. Okay, what is a foreign key? So as I said, primary key was simple. Okay, now foreign key is a key that establish a relationship between two table again. Okay, the same work is done here also. Establish relation between two tables. It can be two or more tables also. Okay, it refer to primary key of another table. That is a key concept. It refer to primary key of another table. Okay, basically the primary key of another table is referred as a primary key, as a foreign key. Now to take an example, let's say we have two tables. So one is my customer table where I have customer related data. Then I have a order table, like the customers, they are ordering from so many websites, so they all are maintaining an order book for them. Let's say you are ordering from Flipkart, so then you are a customer of Flipkart, so there will be a customer table of all the people who are ordering from Flipkart. Then there is an order table, that specific customer is ordering what. Let's say my name is Rajat, so what are the things Rajat have ordered from last 6 months from Flipkart. So that can be fetched through using the concept of foreign key. Now I'm taking one example of customer and order table. Now these are the table. Now in customer table I will have a customer ID. Okay, so this is a primary key. Now in order table also, if I have a customer ID, because that will be eventually help me to identify that this is the same customer who is doing this particular order. So now customer ID in this order table, okay, this is considered as a foreign key. This is a foreign key. Understand the difference. There is a very minute difference. But the customer ID in customer table is considered as a primary key. So this is the whole and soul concept about all these 5 important things which you should know before entering into SQL world and database world. I hope this is all clear to all of you. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In next video, I will meet with all of you with some amazing content again. Till the time, happy learning. I'll see you in the next video. All the best, guys.